Hi guys, in today's video I am going to show you some affordable and good dresses which I have bought from Ajio and Flipkart, which comes under 500 rupees. This video is going to be so helpful for you guys, so watch the video till the end. Let me start this video with a beautiful dress which I have bought from Ajio, and this is how the dress looks like. It is so cute, and the material is rayon. It is quite soft, I can tell you that. It's very comfortable, and with this you are going to get one t-shirt like this. The name of the brand is Rio. It is Ajio's own brand only, and behind the dress there is a chain. There is a chain like this, and the print is so beautiful with this black color. This small little flowers which has little bit of yellow in it gives this dress such a beautiful look, and I am so happy to get such a beautiful floral dress only at rupees 467. I am sure you are going to like this. I think no one is there who is going to dislike this dress. I really like it. The next dress is also from Ajio and from the brand Rio. By the way, if you are looking for some affordable dresses that you can purchase, definitely look out for this brand Rio. I think that is going to really help you a lot. So this dress looks like this, something like this. It's a knee length dress. Actually my height is short, so it comes to my knee. If you are someone little bit taller, it will come above your knees, let me tell you that. And the material is soft, I have told you that. I think this is rayon, and it is very comfortable, and in the back portion you will be getting this string. So if you want to tighten your dress or loosen your dress, you can definitely do that. I really like this material, and I think I have paid only 306 rupees for this dress. You can definitely check out all these dresses. I will be giving all the links in the description box, so that if you want you can go ahead and check it out. By the way, I have shopped two similar dresses, but the color is definitely different. So here it goes, and these are the, I think, most affordable, cutest floral dresses you will find online. So the base color of this dress is orange, and there are white flowers in it, and it has a little bit touch up of greens, and whenever I wear it, guys, let me tell you, it makes me feel so feminine. So if you like floral dresses and you're looking for an affordable option, definitely check this out. Up next, the dress which I'm going to show you, that is from Flipkart, and it is super cute, and I got it only at rupees 333. Whenever I used to look at this dress, I always found that the price was I think 550, 567, something like this. But one fine day I got this dress only at rupees 333. I am just giving the screenshot so that you believe me. And this is a sleeveless dress, and the material is really very soft, and the base color of this dress is yellow. It has little bit of white flowers in it, and little bit of black touch up is there, and it makes you feel so pretty, super cute. If you wear this dress and go, everyone is going to look at you, let me tell you that. And I have already told you I have paid only rupees 333, and I will be sharing all the links down below. If you want to go ahead and check it out, you can definitely check this one out. Let me tell you, I am not a fan of sleeveless dresses. So what I did, I'm going to tell you what I did. I bought a jacket also to cover by this area. Now let me show you the jacket now. Now guys, this is the jacket which I have bought for myself. You can wear it in summers as well as you can wear it in winters also, and the material is pure cotton, and you will be getting these type of buttons all over this jacket, and it is a full sleeve jacket as you can see, and I have paid only rupees 303. And if you are thinking of buying any different color also, let me tell you, this brand is having so many color varieties. I really liked it. I don't know why I went and bought this white color. I could have bought, I think now, black. That would have suited with that Tokyo Toki sleeveless dress, but this is also not looking bad. As you can see, it is wearable definitely, and I'm thinking of buying a few more jackets of different color definitely. And yeah, but this is something, sorry, This is something really nice, guys. If you're looking for, if you're just like me, you don't like sleeveless tops or sleeveless dresses, you can definitely buy a jacket and you will look much more smarter, let me tell you that. So if you have liked this video, please leave a like and do subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. See you guys all in my next video. Until then, tata, take care, bye bye.